Well, if you thought last week's vlog was exciting, hold your breath, because this week we're gardening. Now, I'm not particularly good at gardening, as you can see by my basil. Can't say I particularly enjoy it either, but I do like cooking. And it is nice to have your own herbs around. So I already planted a few herbs a couple weeks ago. Let me show you. So here we've got some oregano, sage, mint. That's a pot of strawberry, chilies, chives, and my dad already planted some tomatoes. I'm basically just missing a couple more herbs like rosemary, and more importantly, I still need flowers for my balcony. Alpbach is actually quite famous for its nice flowers everywhere. So let's go buy some as well. Kinda confused already. Too much choice. So the classic flowers are the red ones, I guess. Bit too much 80s style for me. I think I'm gonna go for something more manly here. So, hot pink. Okay, so the flowers are getting set right now. In the meantime, let's look for stuff we can actually eat. I really have no fucking idea what stuff will grow at my elevation. It's gonna die again anyways, but let's give it one more shot. Kinda want a dog like this one. He's like me. Big, sweaty, and always tired. Good. Oh, you're really too hot though. Whew, it's enough excitement for now. Well, it's been 2 weeks now. Let's harvest the fruits of our labor. First of all, let's see if the basil is still alive. It's still alive. I don't know, but it always gets eaten by some bugs or something. Mint's loving it. And here you can see the flowers. So here I planted some spicy Asia mix. This one's arugula and radishes. And as you can see, well, as you can't see, yeah, we already got the first tomatoes here. Ooh, and there's like, haven't even seen that yet. So here's the first pepper. And here we got the strawberries. Already ate a bunch. Good stuff. So yeah, as you can see, I'm basically self-reliant now. I don't need to go to the supermarket anymore. Time to pick up yoga and make something healthy. Yeah, as it turns out, yoga isn't really for me, but I did use the mint to make a mojito. Cheers. That's a good fucking mojito. I am kinda hungry though, and the few strawberries won't really be enough for lunch. So I think I might have to eat some flowers. Well, not these flowers though. Something better. We're gonna make a nice little dessert out of elderflowers. Gonna fry them and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. It's actually one of my favorite desserts. Anyways, let's go pick up some elderflowers after I finished my gardening drink. Right, got a nice elderflower tree behind me. Should probably put a disclaimer about foraging or something. So in case you pick the wrong flowers and I just stepped in cow shit. So in case you pick the wrong flowers and get the shit, so I'm not responsible. Okay, that was the disclaimer for Dr. Stone, but you get the idea. Here we are. Oh, they smell so good. This is probably my favorite flower, I guess. Oh, I can't wait to eat those. I'm genuinely excited, if you didn't notice. Okay, let's pick some, head back home, fry them up. Ready to eat. Get this show on the road. Got our flowers, now we're gonna make a nice batter for it. It's actually pretty simple. All you need is flour, 200 grams, 300 milliliters of white wine. You can also use beer, works also. I prefer white wine that's aged in oak, gives it that extra little nice flavor.
Very fancy, I must say.
We need some brown butter, which is basically clarified butter, but you heat it up first until it turns kind of darker, and then you just filter it. You can make it in advance and then put it in the fridge, and it keeps forever. A couple eggs, some fresh vanilla bean. That's pretty much it for the batter. For frying, I'm gonna use this like Butterschmalz, which is like an Austrian thing, I guess. But you can use any kind of frying oil, really. For garnish, we got some berries from the local berry farm. I'm gonna use some cinnamon and sugar to kind of dip the fried flowers in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna fry it up in the wok. Okay, let's make the dough. So we got our flour. Just mix the white wine into it. So that's looking good. We add 4 teaspoons of brown butter. I'm too lazy to measure. Just put it all. We're gonna cut up the vanilla bean. There we go. Take the vanilla mark out. Put it into our dough. And the 2 eggs, we gotta separate them. Whites from yolks. The yolks go into the dough, and the whites we're gonna beat up.
I'll beat the shit out of you!
Now we're just gonna mix that in. There you go. Now this already smells fucking amazing. So that's our batter. Let's turn this on. So in the meantime, we're gonna look for the wine pairing, because we're not animals after all. Wine that goes great with this. Minerva from Lago di Garda, sweet dessert wine. You don't want it overpowering sweet, because then it takes away from the subtle flavor of the flowers. Just so you know. Cheers. Okay, so the oil is looking good here. Yeah, now we just gotta take one of those flowers. Some still have bugs on them, but it doesn't matter.
Well, I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, dip them in the dough. Like this. And in they go. And yeah, then we're just gonna fry them up for like a couple minutes. Yeah, and once these are browned, just gonna put them on some paper towel so it can drip off a little bit. And then we're gonna dip them in our cinnamon sugar mixture. Just gonna add some ice cream, and we're done. It's really fucking delicious. So if you get a chance to make that yourselves, go for it. Just make sure you pick the right flowers. Well, yeah, that's our little summer vlog. Hope you're all enjoying your hot months, wherever you are. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.